Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how you can go from this to this for absolutely 100% free. I'll be sharing with you 3 methods, and 2 of those are 100% free and anyone can make use of them. So the first thing that you want to have is the background that you want and the recorded video that you have. So you can get royalty-free images from sites such as Pixabay. And today we're just going to be using a picture from FreePic. FreePic, of course, has both premium and free pictures, though you have to give attribution for that. So we're just going to browse this, and you're just going to look for an image that you like. You can just input a search term for whatever it is that you want to look for. As you can see, I've put YouTube recording studio setup, and you're just getting a few images that are actually okay. So this is just an example that I'm giving, so you can download that. So the next place you can get images, of course, is Pinterest, but you have to bear in mind that some of those images may actually be copyrighted, so you have to be very keen when you're using this. And I'd suggest that if you get a picture from Pinterest, you change it to a good percentage. So I've just found one that I actually like, so we're just going to download this, and I'm going to do a bit of editing on it so that I can use that. So now moving on to our first method, we're going to be using CapCut. So you're just going to launch CapCut on your computer. So once you've launched CapCut, you're just going to hit import so that you can import your background and the video that you had recorded. And you're just going to drag this out to edit them out. And since we want our video to overlay the background, you're just going to pick the we're going to pick the recorded video, and you're going to drag it on top of the background. So once it's well seated on the background, the next thing that we want to do is to get rid of the background of our video. So you're just going to hit the video and hit remove background, and since it's not a green screen, you're just going to hit auto removal. For those with a green screen, you can hit chroma key. So this is already processing. As you can see, it's easily processing. It's just going to take a minute, and we are going to have our transparent background. Now that is it. So now, as you can see, our image is the aspect ratio isn't right for YouTube, so we are just going to change the ratio to 16:9, so that we can have a good video, for YouTube. So we're just going to drag this out, and we're just going to drag it out and make sure that it is seated exactly as we want it to. We're just going to fit it nicely as we would really like it to be. Like, we're just going to make sure that it's looking as good as we would want it to be. So once you've dragged it out and it's seated well, you're just going to now fit in your video exactly how you would want it to be. Now remember, of course, this now will depend on whatever video you have and the background. So you just fit them together nicely, like this one. As you can see, it's looking very natural. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can just hit export, and now you just going to have this download directly to your computer. As you can see, now our video has downloaded, and now you can go on to use it. And so for our second method, you'll be using Canva. So you're just going to hit design, and you're going to choose the YouTube video. So we're just going to have that, but bear in mind that for you to use this, you actually need the Pro plan. So you're just going to upload. You're going to upload files. So we're just going to drag out the picture that we got from Pinterest, and we're just going to upload that. So once it's uploaded, you're just going to do a bit of modification on it, and we are just going to remove a few things from the picture. You're just going to add a few others. I think that's what I love most about Canva, is that you can do a lot of editing all together. All the elements that you need to make all these changes are already readily available. So once it's well fitted, you're just going to edit the photo. We're just going to remove some of the things like the cups and the flower pots, the art on the wall. Just going to have all that clear out. See, like, this is what I love about Canva. You can absolutely get something pretty much different. So it won't look like you just picked someone's picture and you're just using it. So we're just going to put a few things there so that it can look a bit, our own, if I may say. There's a lot you can do here, but we'll just leave it at that for now. So we're just going to upload again, and you're going to upload now our video, the video that you want now to sit on this, the background, the video whose background you want to change. So we're just going to upload that real fast, and I can see that the video is already uploaded. So we're just going to pick our video now, and we are going to place it on our background that we've already made. So for this, what you need, you're just going to edit video. The only thing that you need to do here is actually just go to edit video. And once you hit edit video, you're just going to hit remove background, and we're going to have our background removed in just a few minutes. And once that is done, you're just going to do the same thing that we did with CapCut. You're just going to fit our video nicely on our background that we've already made. So basically, the steps are pretty much the same, It's only that with this, now you'll need the pro plan because of the step of removing the background. So if you already have Canva and you're using the pro plan, you can absolutely just use Canva. So we're just going to fit this nicely. That actually looks a bit natural. So we're just going to look at our video. So I think our video is actually looking really good. It's fit well into the background. It's actually looking really good. So once you're satisfied with the results, the next thing that you need to do is just download your video for use. So that's exactly what you're now going to do. We're just going to go back to our editing page, and you're just going to hit share. So you're just going to go down to download, and you're just going to download the video as an MP4. So you're just going to hit download, and it's going to download to our computer. So this is the final product that you get. As you can see, it's just fits so well into the background. I absolutely like it. And now for our method 3, now this for people that are using phones. If you're using your laptop, you can absolutely use this with BlueStacks. You just download InShot, but I'm just going to show you this using my mobile phone. So the first thing, of course, that you want to do now is just go to Canvas so that we can change it to 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. And you're just going to drag it out well and fit the canvas as we would want it to look on YouTube. So once you're satisfied, you're just going to drag it out to fit the length of the video that we have. Our video is around 17 seconds long. So now we're just going to hit PIP. So now we're going to hit PIP, and we're going to take our video. As you can see now, our video is available, and you're just going to hit cut out so that you can remove the background of our video. As you can see, our background has been removed very fast. And now we're just going to do the same thing we did with Canva and CapCut. So we're just going to fit in the video nicely in the background and make sure that it looks natural. Basically, that's it. That's all you need. So as you can see, with the 3 tools, all you need is just a background and a video. And once the background is removed, you just need to now fit the video nicely into the background. And now here, once you're satisfied with the result, you just hit save. And it's really that simple. As you can see, it's already saving the video into our computer, into our phone. And now the video is ready for use. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. See you soon. See you in the next one. I hope you learned something new. Bye bye.